Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to introduce our team's work on using rotatable antennas for wireless sensing and communications, especially in the context of low-altitude applications. For low-altitude economy applications, today's multi-antenna systems still face big challenges. As we add more antennas, the cost and power consumption rise quickly, and that makes large-scale deployment difficult. At the same time, fixed antennas are mainly designed for ground users, so they struggle to support aerial users like UAVs. And because they cannot adapt well to fast-moving targets, their performance drops in dynamic environments. What we need is a compact and cost-effective solution that can adapt to dynamic environments, providing both reliable communication and high-resolution sensing to truly support the low-altitude economy. That's why we propose rotatable antenna as a promising solution. You can think of them just like human eyes. By rolling our eyes, we naturally look in the right direction. In the same way, by rotating the antenna boresight, we enable directional communication and ensure reliable links in dynamic scenarios. Instead of serving only ground users, rotatable antenna can shift base station coverage from the ground up into the air, forming a flexible space-air-ground network. With intelligent boresight rotation, they can extend three-dimensional coverage and deliver high performance in both communication and sensing. And all we need to do is carefully design the boresight directions to meet diverse needs. So, how do we actually enable boresight rotation in practice? For that, we need a dedicated control module. There are basically two ways to do it: mechanical or electronic. With the mechanical approach, we physically rotate the antenna's orientation to adjust the antenna boresight, typically using a microcontroller-driven motor or MEMS devices. With the electronic approach, the antenna stays fixed, but its boresight direction is rotated by switching feed excitations or tuning electronic components. As we can see, fixed antennas rely on phase control to achieve beamforming gains. But this often results in grating lobes, stronger side lobes, and limited coverage at the array edges. In contrast, our rotatable antenna system lets each antenna rotate its boresight independently. This adds an extra boresight alignment gain on top of the usual beamforming gain. In other words, by optimizing the boresight directions, we can achieve higher directional gain and more flexible beamforming with even fewer antennas. It's almost like using a spotlight to focus signal energy exactly on the target. By adding this new degree of spatial flexibility, rotatable antenna offers several advantages over traditional fixed antennas. For example, we can steer the boresight away from interfering sources to directly reduce interference without requiring complex signal processing. We can also extend both communication and sensing coverage to track the UAV in the air, which is crucial for ISAC services in low-altitude applications. Even with only a few rotatable antennas, the system can scan a wide range of airspace and sense multiple targets, much like how our two eyes perceive the environment from different angles. By focusing the antenna's boresight, we further enhance sensing resolution. Based on that, rotatable antenna can also capture richer features, such as velocity and direction of the UAV more effectively. To validate our system, we built a prototype of a radar-sensing aided rotatable antenna system. In this setup, the radar sensing module detects the user's direction. Then the rotatable antenna can track the user in real time. Our experiments show that this rotatable antenna system clearly outperforms a fixed antenna system, with cleaner constellation, higher spectrum efficiency, and more stable received SNR, thereby enabling reliable communication with mobile users. Furthermore, we developed a rotatable antenna array-based ISAC system with 4 rotatable antennas. This array can dynamically track the direction of UAV, which is especially valuable in low-altitude scenarios where multiple UAVs must be monitored. And importantly, the whole system was built at a very low cost, about $225, which further highlights the cost-effectiveness of our solution. If you're interested in rotatable antenna research, we'd be happy to share more details. You can also check out our group's related works listed here. That's all. Thank you for your listening.